Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, just having a go on the CF Moto 800. Very nice. This belongs to Eddie Enduro. First thing I noticed when I jumped on the 450MT is my knees hit that cutout there, and this one sits perfect. Ooh. The gear lever's in a funny spot for me with my big boots. It's got the same nice light clutch. Yeah, that is nice. Powerhouse track. Whoops. Seasonal road closure. It just feels really light. That's let me just have a look here. Let me have a quick look here. Oh, if I can get off. Yeah, really nice. Does not feel like an 800, that's for sure. So we've got nice low tanks. So it looks like 21-inch wheel, high guard on it. Very impressive. I think these are around 15 grand brand new on the road. I'll have to have a look. So Eddie actually owns a 450 as well. God, that clutch is wide. I know mine's heavy. That's better. But yes. Oh yeah, she goes alright. You can get right up in that seat. Yeah, when I slide up, my knees are just sitting there, it's fine. Wow. That is so smooth. Oh, his brakes are good too. Probably in fourth, yep. There we go, we'll do a ride by the guys. Fifth. See ya. My bike now. Wow. Ooh. Oops, out of there. Yeah, very nice. Once I got used to where that gear lever is, I was right. It took off. Where the fuck's that gone? Yeah, very nice. Yeah, right, and it changes. Yeah. Very nice and smooth, isn't it? Yeah, very impressed with the CF Moto 800MT-X. Very nice to ride. Nice low centre of gravity, very confidence inspiring, and I reckon with some decent tyres on there it'd be a weapon off-road. If you want to know more about it, go check out Eddie's channel at Eddie Enduro. Thanks a lot for watching, I'll see you next time.